She is accepting the gift with pride.
She is accepting the gift with pride.
She is adopting a cute puppy.
She is adopting a cute puppy.
She is watering the plant.
She is watering the plant.
She is blowing bubbles.
She is blowing bubbles.
A chef is baking a cake.
A chef is baking a cake.
The door is opening.
The door is opening.
She is organizing her books on the shelf.
She is organizing her books on the shelf.
A worker is building a house.
A worker is building a house.
He is shouting loudly.
He is shouting loudly.
He is catching a ball.
She is catching a ball.
The technician is repairing the switchboard.
The technician is repairing the switchboard.
The koala is climbing a tree.
The koala is climbing a tree.
The audience is clapping after the show.
The audience is clapping after the show.
A chef is cooking in a kitchen.
A chef is cooking in a kitchen.
He is dancing in a funny way.
He is dancing in a funny way.
They are decorating the room for the party.
They are decorating the room for the party.
The dog is digging a hole.
The dog is digging a hole.
The boy is drinking water.
The boy is drinking water.
He is driving red car.
He is driving red car.
She is eating pasta.
She is eating pasta.
The waiter is serving the food to the table.
The waiter is serving the food to the table.
She is exercising in the gym.
She is exercising in the gym.
Mom is feeding her child.
Mom is feeding her child.
The boxer is ready for his fight.
The boxer is ready for his fight.
The man is fishing by the lake.
The man is fishing by the lake.
The postman is delivering the package.
The postman is delivering the package.
The pilot is flying a big airplane.
The pilot is flying a big airplane.
She is waiting for the bus to arrive.
She is waiting for the bus to arrive.
He is speaking to the audience.
He is speaking to the audience.
The girl is jumping over the fire.
The girl is jumping over the fire.
The soccer player is kicking the ball.
The soccer player is kicking the ball.
The friends are laughing together.
The friends are laughing together.
She is studying for her final exams.
She is studying for her final exams.
They are visiting the zoo.
They are visiting the zoo.
She loves to draw pictures of animals.
She loves to draw pictures of animals.
The man is fixing the door.
The man is fixing the door.
The bodybuilder is lifting heavy weights.
The bodybuilder is lifting heavy weights.
She is listening to music with headphones.
She is listening to music with headphones.
The man is looking through binoculars.
The man is looking through binoculars.
The craftsman is making a beautiful pot.
The craftsman is making a beautiful pot.
The artist is painting on a canvas.
The artist is painting on a canvas.
He is picking up a pencil.
He is picking up a pencil.
The children are playing.
The children are playing.
The teacher is pointing at the board.
The teacher is pointing at the board.
She is pouring hot coffee into a cup.
She is pouring hot coffee into a cup.
She is raising her hand to ask a question.
She is raising her hand to ask a question.
They are hugging each other tightly.
They are hugging each other tightly.
The dog is following its owner.
The dog is following its owner.
They are solving math problems.
They are solving math problems.
She is preparing a special meal for dinner.
She is preparing a special meal for dinner.
He is pulling the zipper.
He is pulling the zipper.
He is pushing a shopping cart.
He is pushing a shopping cart.
She is reading an interesting book.
She is reading an interesting book.
She called her mother for advice.
She called her mother for advice.
The girl is riding a bicycle.
The girl is riding a bicycle.
The boy is running slowly.
The boy is running slowly.
They are shaking hands with smile.
They are shaking hands with smile.
The basketball player is shooting a ball.
The basketball player is shooting a ball.
She is singing beautifully.
She is singing beautifully.
She is sitting on a park bench.
She is sitting on a park bench.
They are searching for something important.
They are searching for something important.
The baby is sleeping peacefully.
The baby is sleeping peacefully.
Men are smiling as they enjoy the event.
Men are smiling as they enjoy the event.
He likes to snowboard in the mountains.
He likes to snowboard in the mountains.
The two friends are talking.
The two friends are talking.
The father is teaching his son.
The father is teaching his son.
He's throwing the javelin.
He's throwing the javelin.
A lady is walking towards the store.
A lady is walking towards the store.
She's watching a sad film.
She is watching a sad film.
The girl is waving.
The girl is waving.
The student is writing in a notebook.
The student is writing in a notebook.
The tricky question confused her.
The tricky question confused her.
She loves spending time with her cat.
She loves spending time with her cat.
The boy is crying and telling his sister about the fight.
The boy is crying and telling his sister about the fight.
She slipped on the wet floor.
She slipped on the wet floor.
He bought so many new things.
She bought so many new things.
She is sending an important mail.
She is sending an important mail.
He was taking a selfie.
She was taking a selfie.
She grows tomatoes in her backyard.
She grows tomatoes in her backyard.
She works at a law firm in the city.
She works at a law firm in the city.
She was standing with books in her hands.
She was standing with books in her hands.
He was cleaning the window.
She was cleaning the window.
She is thinking about the upcoming meeting.
She is thinking about the upcoming meeting.
She brushes her hair before bed.
She brushes her hair before bed.
He pauses the video to grab a snack.
He pauses the video to grab a snack.
Please close the door quietly when you leave.
Please close the door quietly when you leave.
She relaxes on the couch with a good book.
She relaxes on the couch with a good book.
She matches the right shoes with her outfit.
She matches the right shoes with her outfit.
She applied for a job at a new company.
She applied for a job at a new company.
They decided to protest against the new policy.
They decided to protest against the new policy.
They consulted with the experts before making the final choice.
They consulted with the experts before making the final choice.
He responds to the email as soon as he receives it.
He responds to the email as soon as he receives it.